everybody! It is time for another challenge video for the Indiegogo campaign for Burp Girl. Today, I am going to challenge strangers on the street to a burping contest. Holy crap, let's see how this goes.
Hi. Did it. Wow.
That was awesome!
You can burp, let's do it.
Okay, ready? Do you want to,
I'm good at this.
you are? Okay.
Ladies first.
All right. So we're gonna do a burp contest. You wanna go first? You want me to go first?
Let's go at the same time.
Okay.
And count through.
Okay.
1, 2.
Do you wanna have a burp contest?
I'll try to hear this.
I'm the superhero burp girl,
Okay.
and I'm having burp contests with people.
Okay.
Do you wanna compete against me?
Can you go to D?
To
A,
D.
B, C, D? Who's gonna go first? Oh, missed it.
Almost. Oh man! Oh freaking hell, it got stuck. Oh.
Good girl.
Do you want to have a burp contest with me?
I don't speak English.
Now you.
You mentioned burp contest?
Yes.
I would love to partake in burp contest.
Oh my god, yay! What's your name?
Kenny.
Kenny, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I am Burp Girl. Ready? Your turn. Oh shit, it got stuck.
Is that you?
Yes.
Is that?
Oh, there you go.
Oh,
Oh my god.
Spider-Man. More. Go.
The future Burp Girl. Thank you all so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments below if you think anybody beat me in the burp contest. Any contribution you can make to the Burp Girl Indiegogo campaign will be so helpful, even if it's $1. Special shout out to KHA Entertainment for helping me film this video. I'm the host of that prank channel, so please subscribe to them. They are amazing and I love them. So Billy, you wanna have a burp contest?
Sure.
All right. Oh.